think it's gonna work, baby.
Avery, you can hurt yourself. You know. Na 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 na. Well, a gorilla could get up here, right?
Definitely.
We would be trapped, right? A chimpanzee.
Poor Avery. Hey, Matthew.
Poor Avery. Hey, you can't get up here.
Avery, he did it. He climbed the stairs. He climbed the stairs.
He did it?
He climbed the stairs.
He loves it. Does he love it?
You can't believe you made it.